Hi everyone, it's Brendan McHugh, your favorite architect. We're here at our newest house in Manasquan, New Jersey. On the inside, we have open wide spaces and huge pieces of glass with views out to the ocean. And on the outside, we have a modern composition and also modern materials. The other thing that we're including here is hardy board panels that you can see over to the left. We've painted them slightly different colors. A light gray, a light blue. That's supposed to mimic bluestone jetty that's out by the beach. Here's the rain screen system. The siding itself blocks most of the weather. The moisture can get in between here and hit the WRB. The WRB does not allow moisture in. It drains and it airs out throughout the system. Therefore, there is no water infiltration to the structure or creation of mold. The lot itself is extra wide for Manasquan, 43 foot wide. The house is 33 foot wide. And to have this open floor plan where we're open in both directions creates a real technical challenge in multiple ways. One is we're in a flood zone. It's a V14. So literally there could be waves coming underneath of this house. The second part is we're in a 125-mile-per-hour wind zone. That means at some point there could be a hurricane and we could have 125-mile-per-hour winds hitting these glass. So in order to accomplish this, we had to use steel moment frames. There's 3 of them. 1 at the front of the front porch, 2 at this glass wall, and 3 at the edge of the kitchen. So there was only 3 requirements that our client asked us to achieve. The first one was parking. Here at the Manasquan Beach, parking is at a premium. So we had to maximize the number of cars in the lot and also underneath the house in the garage. Entertaining friends and family is a huge priority, and that was the focus. Number 2, create a very large front porch facing the beach. The third item was low maintenance materials. We couldn't have picked easier materials to clean and maintain. In the master bedroom, there were 2 things we were trying to accomplish here. One is getting views out to the water. Obviously, that's the main attraction. But the second one was, how can we get some airflow through this when it's a nice, beautiful day? So we came up with the concept of doing horizontal sliding windows. You can see how easily they do open. And how much of a space we can actually receive air coming through. So in modern architecture, really we're trying to capture all the views. In this case, we've got windows coming straight to the corner. Structurally, we really had to beef up that corner, and that's going to translate all the way down into the foundation. In the garage, this was a priority. We needed to park 11 cars. That was actually easy compared to the technical aspect of building this at the beach. We needed piles, we needed a grade beam, which is a concrete beam that wraps around the foundation. In case of a flood event, some of these walls will break away, but the main structure of the foundation will hold up the whole house. Here we are at the half story, and again, the focus is the view and entertaining. This is a 30-foot by 30-foot balcony. We've got the jacuzzi out there for entertaining. Can you just imagine now, 4th of July, the fireworks are going off in the sky. People are having a good time up here, eating and drinking and just enjoying themselves. And this is what this house is about.